Hello everybody, before we continue with the video, I just want to let you know that Hurricane ETA is now a major Category 4 storm at 130 mile an hour winds. At the recording of this video, it was at 120, but the rest of the info is still within range of accuracy. Thank you so much. Enjoy. You are looking at our fifth major hurricane of the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season in Central America today, just off the coast of Honduras and Nicaragua. Check out Hurricane ETA, now at 120 mile an hour sustained winds, probably a little bit higher at that, 957 millibars in pressure, and you can bet there are mandatory evacuations all over the coasts of both of these Central American countries today. That's right, my friends. Welcome back. It is November 2nd, 2020, 3:52 p.m. and talk about rapid intensification. That is what this tweet by the Weather Channel is talking about right now, as this thing was just a tropical storm a little over 24 hours ago. As you could see, we posted on this yesterday. Tropical storm ETA forms, and now we are talking about a major hurricane. And as you can see here on the Wikipedia page already, the gusts are at 140 miles an hour. That is why I said I believe the hurricane's a little bit stronger than those 120 mile an hour winds, and I say that because of the fact that it's still going through a rapid intensification process, being that the eye wall has not hit land yet. So we can check this chart, the COD weather chart here, for about 18 hours, and you can just see, if I bring the cursor all the way back, this thing is basically just a blob at the beginning of this chart, and then by the end of the chart in current time, we have that eye wall form. It's hard to see because it's a far out zoom, but nonetheless, this storm blew up. One concern about ETA at the moment is the fact that it may slow down right before landfall, and it almost looks as if it's about to make landfall, but I assure you it's not. We are still a bit of ways off the coast there, but look at the hurricane warnings going straight down that area of Nicaragua, just touching the southern border of Honduras, which also has the tropical storm warnings. That counterclockwise spin will absolutely affect both coasts, and all it takes is a simple Google search to see that this is basically the talk of the town, besides the election, of course. There is no doubt that this hurricane is going to be a devastating situation, and what I want to show you here on Ventu Sky, obviously we're lined up for Central America, and now what I was talking about with it slowly moving, I want to show you something. Right now I have this set for 4 p.m., which was about 3 minutes ago, and if I click on 7 p.m., which is 3 hours, watch how far ETA moves. It's not far at all, which means that this storm is more than likely going to strengthen. This may be a Category 4 storm, and that was projected way before this even happened. Right now you're looking at the model intensity guidance chart. This is a prediction of the possible strength of these hurricanes, and look at what it says. A lot of these models have this going up to a high-grade Category 4. We may be already at a Category 4 by the posting of this video, and some of these plots take it up to a 5, and this is before making landfall with Honduras or Nicaragua. So again, I can't stress enough how the slowing down of this hurricane is going to change everything. In fact, many weather outlets are actually calling for this to be the strongest hurricane of the season, besides Laura, which is currently the strongest with 140 mile an hour sustained winds. And finally, my friends, many people are asking in the States whether or not this hurricane will make it into the Gulf. As of right now, it's too early to tell, but the initial spaghetti plots, as you can see, have this thing exiting back into the Gulf of Belize. We can see right here, and then it will enter back into the warm water of Central America and the Caribbean. After that, we are looking at a possible movement towards the western edge of Jamaica, possibly all the way to the water gap between Cancun and Cuba. We may even see this go over Cuba and head towards Florida, and I will show you the possibility of that now, although a lot can change in the near future. Right now, we have to focus on Honduras and Nicaragua, and like I said, my friends, keep in mind that this is now a major Category 4 storm, as I stated at the beginning of the video, but take a look at where the charts take this thing over the next 2 weeks. So we have that initial hit in these two countries and then exits by Belize. Then we go out towards Cuba. It hooks back towards Belize and then possibly into the Gulf. Again, this would be November 13th, so we have a lot of time in between then and now for things to change, but the Canadian model is not much different, my friends. We have that initial hit, as you can see there, exits by the Gulf of Belize right there towards Cuba, and then possibly backtracking into the Gulf or the water gap near Cancun, Mexico. So as you can see, my friends, all bets are still on the table for the future of Hurricane ETA. Right now, Honduras and Nicaragua are preparing for a devastating storm. This is one of the biggest storms to hit Central America in a very long time, and at the absolute least, we should keep them in our thoughts and prayers. I will be updating on this storm as things intensify. If you have not already, please please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Every little bit helps, and I enjoy putting this content out for you on a daily basis. If you have not clicked that bell, please do so. You will get notified each and every time I post a video. Please stay safe out there. Shout out to Canada. I will be back soon. Please stay safe. Thank you all very much. Bye-bye.